2018 BMW X5 for Ghost 2. On this vehicle, if I go to start the vehicle up, it will come on. But if I go to drive the vehicle now, the engine turns off. It stalls the engine for you, and that's the Ghost kicking in. Now if I start the vehicle up, for demonstration button, obviously I've got demonstration password. I'm going to enter that password and you'll see the two flashes. So one, two, you'll get your two flashes of acknowledgement. That allows now you to drive the vehicle as you wish. Yeah. Now if at any point I wanted to change the password for the vehicle, I'm going to simply switch the vehicle off. I'm going to press the start button 3 times, so no feet on the pedals at all. 1, 2, 3. That will now switch on your ignition. Now we're going to enter the current password the vehicle has. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. We now get our 2 confirmation flashes of the indicator. I can now on the accelerator pedal put my foot all the way down to the floor, and we're going to do the password again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get your 2 flashes back, you can now release your foot off the pedal, and that allows you to now be in learning mode, ready for a new password. The buttons you have available on these cars are going to be minus plus, the 3 arrows on the bottom. You also have traction control here. Now if at any point I'm going to change the password for a demonstration, I'm going to go back to the same password again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to give me 3 flashes of confirmation. Now I'm going to enter the same password again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 2 confirmation flashes, or 4 confirmation flashes if wrong. So I've got 2 confirmation flashes there. That's now correct password. So I'm going to switch the car off. That is now your password saved. If at any point we want to go into servicing mode, I'm going to start the vehicle up, put your password in. Once you get your flashes, you drive to whichever place you're going to be getting serviced the vehicle at. Now for service on this car is set to traction control. I'm going to press that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should now flash up your indicators as you see there. That is your service mode. There we go. So if I switch the vehicle off, I now hand the vehicle over to them. Once you're collecting the vehicle now, you must just repeat the same process as you do every day by putting your foot on the brake, starting the engine up. Now it's in service mode, so anyone can technically drive this vehicle. To reactivate it, we're just going to put your password. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to give you your 2 confirmation flashes of acknowledgement. That is now the password activated again.